Welcome to the AI Briefing. I'm your AI host, Mick, and here is your AI news for today, Monday, April 8th, 2024. Meta plans to update its policy on AI-generated content to include a Made with AI label. Coming into effect from May, the updated policy will apply across Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. Remarking on its current policy as too narrow, Meta has decided to label a broader range of AI-generated media, including video, audio, and images. Labels will be applied either when AI tools are willingly disclosed by users or when Meta's inbuilt system identifies the use of such tools. This overhaul of Meta's stance on AI-generated content attests to AI's potential in becoming an integral part of information and content creation, but also reflects the need for better regulation due to its capacity for misuse. Next up, Stability AI's upgraded audio generation model, Stable Audio 2.0, now allows the creation of 3-minute sound clips using user-uploaded, copyright-free audio samples. Though a step up from its previous iteration, the AI continues to fall short of producing an authentic-sounding song. Even with new features enabling more precise user customization, AI-generated songs often miss the mark compared to their human counterparts. The challenge of generating soulful music echoed by machines isn't just a hurdle for Stability AI, but also giant tech firms like Google and Meta, who are yet to release their public models. Lastly, in a move that signals a seismic shift in the world of AI-infused voice assistants, Samsung has announced significant upgrades to Bixby, its flagship digital assistant. With the integration of generative AI and large language models capabilities, Bixby is poised to not only sound more natural, but also interact more intimately with the user. The aim is simple: make digital conversations more intuitive and integrated while contributing to the broader Samsung product ecosystem. The distinctive way Samsung has been remodeling Bixby heralds an evolution in digital assistants. The generative AI technology plays a role akin to the adaptation of human language, enabling the voice assistant to comprehend and respond to requests more accurately and in a way that closely mimics a conversation with a human. By integrating the technology into common product usability, such as automatic battery charging or Bixby Vision, that combines AI with a device's camera for real-time translations or information gathering, Samsung is leveraging artificial intelligence as more than just an entertaining tool. Such aggressive pursuit of a more robust, AI-enhanced Bixby not only raises the bar in the competitive consumer electronics industry, but forces rival companies to advance their AI technologies to stay in the game. This wave of generative AI applications is seen in tech powerhouses like Google, Apple, and NVIDIA, as they grapple with how to make digital assistants more reactive, intelligent, and custom-built for user preferences. That's your AI briefing for today. Don't forget to subscribe or follow, and join me again tomorrow for more AI news.